Hi, I'm Mike Luther, and welcome to our first introduction to our summer bridge program weld theory lessons. As you get into Blackboard, what you'll see is that our shell in Blackboard is populated as 16 weeks like our normal classes. This being an 8-week course, what that means, you're going to have the first 2 weeks done in the first week, the next 2 weeks, which would be weeks 3 and 4, done in the second week, and so on and so on. So we can cover 16 weeks of material in 8 weeks. So this week, week 1 is going to be gas tungsten arc welding, setup, maintenance, all that kind of stuff. The second week is going to be GTAW welding of plate. The first thing we're going to deal with, we're going to talk about kind of the history of gas tungsten arc welding. We're going to talk about the parts we use in it, the consumables, the tungsten, all that kind of stuff. We're going to talk about how to shape the tungsten. We're going to talk about the equipment, different kinds of torches, types of welding current. This is really key. AC versus DC straight versus DC electrode positive. Wave control functionality on AC, we'll get into that a little bit. We'll also get into shielding gases, the gases we use, the purpose of pre-flow and post-flow, different types of amperage control, foot pedals versus lift arc versus scratch start. The second part of it, I'm going to do the introduction for both weeks in this one video. The next part of it is going to be the tungsten welding of plate. For us, the big stuff we're going to talk about is torch angle and arc length. Those are two things that will absolutely kill you if you've got them wrong. We're going to talk about tungsten contamination, which is something we're going to deal with constantly with TIG welding, no matter how long you've done it. It's going to be a fact of life. We're going to talk about how to set welding current, how to set gas flow for the gas lens or the gas cone you've got. We're going to talk about carbon steel versus stainless steel versus aluminum and the different parameters we've got to change to make them work for each one of those things. Metal preparation, how clean is clean enough. And we're going to talk about welding out of position, going from flat to horizontal to overhead. The kind of, I guess, generalities regarding amperage ranges and stuff like that we want to work on. So what's due this week? So this week, you're going to have a lot of stuff due because we've got 2 weeks of material in this week. You're going to need to watch our instructional videos that we've made. You're going to need to watch any other kind of ancillary videos that we have that we found on YouTube. We try to only put grade A content on there, so it's worth your time to watch, I guarantee you that. There'll be a form assignment that you're going to have to accomplish. And then after you've done all that, then you want to do the chapter test at the end. You'll have multiple tries in that chapter test. Our goal is that you get the information. So we're going to have it set up so that you can try it multiple times and get the right answers. We don't want you to get low grade. We want you to know the material. So take as many turns as you need to do that work. Find the answer in the book. We want 100% on all of them. That's going to tell us that you've at least found the stuff in the book once. And that all those things I just said, they're going to apply for the week 2 material as well. So if you have any questions, you can reach us through email, you can reach us through probably the forum, or you can reach us in the lab, because we're going to see a lot of you in the lab. So week 1, which is after 2 weeks, it's going to be fun. Out.